Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to check graphic cards on Windows 11. Let's start with the video. First of all, click on Start menu and then click on Settings. Here on the left hand side you will see an option System, so click on this option and now click on Display option. And here you will find an option Advanced Display, so click on this option. And here in Advanced Display you will find an option Display Adapter Properties, so click on this option. A new window will open displaying the information about your graphic cards. So here click on Adapter. And under Adapter type you will see the name of your graphic card, which is Intel RUHD Graphics 620. So it is the graphic card of this laptop with 8 GB of graphic memory. So guys, in this video we saw how to check graphic cards on Windows 11. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.